Hello and welcome back to my channel. Looks like you did like the freestyle video format, and today I'm making another video on RSI technical indicator. Yes, I thought the humanity is missing another video on the RSI. RSI was introduced by John Wells Weller in 1978. Funny fact about John that he was a mechanical engineer, and after some point he was interested in trading in stocks. He switched to the real estate, and as an engineer he's invented multiple indicators just to read the market. So overall trading and assets is very much engineering stuff. Nevertheless, so RSI, relative strength of what? Relative strength of the price momentum, relative strength of buying and selling price momentum. So it's a ratio between strength of buying and strength of selling. John has introduced two boundary values of RSI, 30 and 70. Well, RSI lays between 1 and 100 because it's kind of that's how it's calculated. About the calculation I'll explain a bit later. So if the RSI level is below 30, the asset is considered to be oversold, and if it's above 70, the asset is considered overbought. It means if it's oversold, you can expect the price reverse and go up. Same goes with overbought. So if it's overbought, you can expect the price gonna go down. But nothing is predicting future. It's just the indicators. So you can just take a look at the candlestick, but if you want to have something measurable, you are calculating the some kind of indicators. As I told you before in a previous video, it can be SMA, simple moving average, and today RSI. So how it's calculated? Same. You have, first of all, you have to take the number of periods. And usually in RSI calculation, it's 14 periods taken, 14 hours, 14 days, 14 4 hours periods. Everything depends on your trading range. And here, first of all, we have to calculate relative strength. And relative strength we are calculating from the ratio of smoothened moving average. Here I have to explain what is smoothened moving average. So we know exactly what is moving average. Moving average is just average price of the periods, sum of prices divided by the number of periods. Very much easier. Smoothened moving average is pretty much the same. You are taking the moving average of the periods and then doing the funny thing. You are taking the average number of the moving average, multiplying it by number of periods minus 1, then adding the latest price and dividing by number of periods. So you have kind of smoothness of that. In case of relative strength calculation, what you are taking as an input for the smoothened moving average, you're taking the only positive moves and negative moves. So let's say you have 14 price moves, and from that you're calculating the smoothened moving average only for positive moves, and all the negatives are replaced by zeros, and you are calculating the very same for negative moves, where all the positive price moves are replaced by zero. So when you get this ratio, then you are using the RSI formula to normalize relative strengths, and here we go, we get the relative strengths index. If you are not developing your own bot, you don't need to calculate it. If you just want to see this indicator, you can just go to the trading view, go to indicators, and from indicators you can just select relative strengths index. TradingView is an amazing tool, and they are by default showing you the RSI and smoothened RSI. You have two lines. By smoothened RSI, you will get the understanding of the overall movement of RSI oscillation, if it's bullish or if it's bearish. That's basically it. It's very much simple. How you can use it? How you can use RSI? As I said in the very beginning, the basic usage of RSI is to understand if the asset is overbought or oversold. But it doesn't mean that once the asset going into overbought state, it immediately go down. No, it can stay in it can be in overbought state pretty much long time. So it can be considered as a false alarm. Once again, nothing predicts future. RSI as well. RSI only just predicts the possibility, not the possibility, but in trading is everything about possibilities, and it's when the asset or is overbought or oversold, it's never a guarantee, it's always a possibility. And there is possibility that the price will stay on this level for a pretty much long time if we have the very bullish market. Now, how you can use RSI either way. The RSI divergence when the price and RSI indicators are moving in a different direction. For an example, you have the candlesticks which are going down in the price, but in the same way you have the RSI which is going up. So RSI indicates the market momentum which is going up. So what you can expect the price reversal. It's not guaranteed, but it's something you can expect. Now, nothing is guaranteed in trading. Overall, it's always a game with probability. Same goes for the reversal divergence. Let's say your pricing is going up, but RSI is going down. It means you can expect for the price reversal for the bullish price. Well, it's appeared to be a very short video. I hope you did like it, and you can expect next one on MACD.